right now I'm heading to Decathlon. So I thought of making a vlog. I don't know whether they will allow me to vlog inside, and if they do, I'm gonna show you and take you guys along. And this is the Devnahalli side Decathlon, or else I will give you guys a haul of what I get if I get certain things. And yeah, I'll see you on the other side. I like this. Wait, even there's a maroon one. I think more than the maroon one, I like that color. I think I'll get one. I found these jackets, but the thing was, I tried carrying it and it was so heavy. So these are nice. It's like 16,000. But the problem is, it's very heavy, so I can't carry that. So preferably not to take that. Are those heavy? That's light. The white one's nice. Look at the white one. The red one's also nice. The white one? Yeah. I think the red one's better. Oh yeah, please. Yeah, these are the kinds. So I'm like finding for like waterproof jackets because let's see. So these are the jackets which are like very preferable. We found something in low price. Probably will get these. Let's see. The orange looks really nice. Look, the orange color and the green color looks so much more better. Hello. See, this is the female one. We do prefer buying some caps. So there are so many varieties. Beanies and some. Yeah, we can get these, but the thing is that, is it like smart? Can you see whether it's smart ones? Are these like smart gloves? We prefer some smart gloves because I don't know, I've heard the Indian ones don't work. So one of my friends said that he got it from London and those worked very well. So let's see. Is that smart? Try it out, no? Okay, so we tried and tested. These are smart and these are working, so which is good. I'll take color. There's no white, no? Should I take like a black one only? Black. I want to take a color, but I want to place it or green. It'll be nice, no? See, something like this. We prefer something like these, but I think this is the men's section, or I don't know if it's unisex. Like it's unisex. I have this insane habit of taking everything. what and all I got. I got things that are essential for me right now because of my upcoming things. Yeah. So I'll see you guys sometime. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know that I went to Decathlon, so I got a few things and I thought I should show you guys and do a haul. So this is the big cover that I got, and I'm excited to show you guys what all things I got. Yeah. So let's head into the video. I did not get much, but what I got and all are certain things that were essential for me for what I'm doing next. So I'm going to show you guys those things. Now, because I already threw the things down, so let me start off with jackets. Okay, so I got 2 jackets. This is a jacket that I got for my mom. It's a kind of a puffer jacket which will keep us warmer. Okay, and the same kind of jacket I got for myself in blue. I'm going to wear and show it to you guys. So I think this looks really nice. So these are the jackets that will keep us warm, and this is a kind of a thermal shirt that my mom got for herself. I already got certain thermal clothes, so I did not have to invest into things. But one thing I forgot to get is the compartmental bag, which hopefully I think probably on the day we are going towards the airport we'll probably go get it. But also I got myself these gloves. So I saw these gloves were there and these were like very smart gloves. I got it in blue to match my puffer jacket, and I got one for my mom also in black to match her puffer jacket. You know I'm matching queen, right? So these are like smart gloves. These were like I think 699 rupees, and the thing about these are that I think if you buy 2, there's like 100 rupees off or something like that. Never mind. But these are certain things that we needed, and these are like smart gloves. So I got this, and this thing I found this, and I found only one size in XS. So I thought I should get it. This is a tennis skirt that I got. This is so cute. I'm in love with it. It reminds me of playing tennis. I know this is not essential for the trip, but this is something I found very cute, and it's very adjustable with the elastic. So I thought I should get this, and it was only there in one. And when I find things that are there in one, just in my size, and only one item is there, I think about it like it is a God-sent gift to me, and I go buy it no matter whatever it is. Anyway, I hope you guys like these items, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!